So today we're going to be talking to you about a couple common bathtubs that we use quite a bit. There's 4 different types of materials that freestanding bathtubs are made out of. Kind of from the low end to the high end, it's going to be fiberglass, acrylic, solid surface, and cast iron bathtubs. We use solid surface bathtubs quite a bit. Basically, solid surface is a bunch of material that's crushed up, poured in resin. Those are going to be your better quality tubs without going to that cast iron level. A lot of people don't realize with a solid surface tub that it holds a lot of heat. So for those of you that are bath takers, those are one of the things that we recommend quite a bit. Victoria Albert is one of the brands that we use quite a bit. That's going to be the best value and the best quality for your bathroom whenever it comes to freestanding tubs. For those of you that are not bath takers, a step down from a solid surface tub is going to be an acrylic tub. There's so many different varieties and stuff. MTI and Barclay are 2 tub manufacturers that we use quite a bit. With the acrylic tubs, you're going to see a lot of those in like air baths and some of those therapeutic tubs. One of the big ones that we use is going to be Bane Ultra. They're going to be the best quality, going to be the most reasonably priced, and they have a bunch of different lines as far as therapeutic tubs. A lot of the time there's so many different tubs out there whenever it comes to air baths. We try and avoid air baths once it comes to freestanding tubs. A lot of those air baths hold water in there, so a lot of the industry is going to more of a therapeutic tub. Basically what that means is it pushes air rather than sucking and cycling air through the tub, so it's a lot cleaner. You don't have kind of that water buildup in that tub. So Whirlpool tub is one of the most common kind of air bath tubs that everyone's going away with. Those are the ones where the water is sucked through and recirculated through the tub, and you kind of get all that debris after you use it, after it's been sitting for a while. So a lot of the time the industry is going to more of the therapeutic tubs. With air bath tubs, they're a totally, completely clean system. You don't have the recirculation of water. So as our design team gets to know your project and stuff, we go through all the different options as far as bathtubs, whether acrylic is the right fit for you, solid surface, or cast iron tub. We typically stay away from fiberglass tubs whenever it comes to freestanding tubs. Those are going to be kind of the cheaper models that most time you're not going to be happy with once you go through and install those. And that's where our design team will go through, get to know kind of your style, what you're looking for, and find the best bathtub that fits your needs.